Yes, I was say, you know, for people to know that you are my disciples, love one another. What is truth without love? I love you, baby. I love you, baby. I love you, babe. I love you, baby, without any responsibility. Untia light bill, untia danka, ka unto be da, for unto be. Show me the expression of love, and I will believe you love me. I love you, babe. I love you, babe. And all the other children. What does that mean? As I finish this message, I want to talk to you. The year is coming to a close. Sit down, sit down. Pinase, it's time to assess your life. How have you done this year? Pinase. As I made the year, so if we graduate, was here, Pinase and Tem. How does our children see us? Do they also see us that we are men of God? Do they want to fellowship or serve our God? Good analysis. And as I'm building up on the team for next year, God willing, without a productive Christianity, it is a useless Christianity. Yeah, it has to be productive. It has to be processed. The Bible said, and it produces a harvest. It goes through a process. That is what this generation don't understand. They don't understand process. They don't understand time. Time! They don't understand that. You see, Tiamana too. And Konesa. And said, will be ready 60 years or a birthday or Muchucham Breku Namo, you know, Wabre. A dear one ganja on Nessa Wabre. Ubi Frabruchi, Banua, Tutu perfume, a guno, and all that kind of thing. You say, Nonia Bru, and Yanonia Bruchino. Abruchini, a bre, a lot of sacrifice. Ubi Tom's Cabrera on what Chenwa, what Yanuedi. Ubi pay big price. I'm telling you the truth. Ubi pay big price. Abrochesi can be abrocheni bieska wedi opa kopeto. Opa kopeto. Obaya azusikeni. Mahamibia bodam sesiya was Painters Road. Last week on Bekana Sem Chireni. Odisike from America by almost about $230,000 US.